Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bread burger. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including your choice of bread, ground meat, and favorite seasonings. Next, we'll prepare the bread, shaping it perfectly to hold your patty. Then, we'll cook the meat to juicy perfection. This simple method ensures a fantastic meal every time, perfect for a quick lunch or a fun dinner. Now let's get into the preparation. Take your bread slices and flatten them gently, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. This creates the perfect base. For the patties, form your ground meat into 4-ounce portions, ensuring they are uniform in size. Don't forget to season them generously with salt, pepper, and your preferred spices for maximum flavor. This step is crucial for a tasty burger. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Imagine listening to your favorite cooking tunes while making these bread burgers. It's a fantastic addition to any kitchen. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other amazing deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your patties and bread ready, it's time to cook. Pan fry or grill your meat patties for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, achieving a beautiful sear. While the patties cook, toast your flattened bread until it's golden brown and slightly crisp. Finally, assemble your bread burger. Add a slice of cheese, fresh lettuce, and your favorite sauces to complete this unique and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.